Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Binary Trading. On this channel, I test trading strategies, review brokers, look for useful tools, and only share things that I've personally tested myself. I don't upload videos very often because trading is actually my full-time job, and I only make videos when I find something that's genuinely useful and worth sharing. And today is exactly one of those days. Honestly, when I first heard about this, I didn't believe it myself. So the very first thing I did was test everything personally. And you know what? It actually works. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get VFX Alert Pro absolutely free. Yes, completely free. If you've been thinking about trying the Pro version but didn't want to buy a license without knowing whether it's worth it, then make sure you watch this video until the end. Alright, let's head over to the VFX Alert website. Right now, they're running a really interesting promotion. If you register with one of their partner brokers using a special referral link, you can get a Pro license. There are 3 brokers participating in this promotion: Pocket Option, Forex, and Alert Trade. As most of you already know, I only trade with Pocket Option. But if you'd like me to test Forex, Alert Trade, or any other broker, let me know in the comments. I'd really love to hear your suggestions, and I'll be happy to make a video about it. Now let me explain exactly how this works. First, you need to register with VFX Alert. After that, you need to create a new broker account using the referral link. This part is very important because an existing broker account won't qualify for this promotion. You can either download the app and choose your broker directly inside the app, or you can visit the website and select your broker from the broker section. Next, the instructions say that you can choose any Pro license, Test, Basic, Premium, or Ultimate, and to receive it, you need to make a deposit with the broker equal to the price of the license you selected. But don't rush to deposit $199 just yet. A subscriber recently messaged me and told me that even if you make only the minimum deposit, the Pro license still gets activated. Honestly, at first I thought there was no way that could be true, so I decided to test everything myself. I created a completely new broker account, registered through the referral link, and made my deposit. In my country, the minimum deposit starts at $5. I even show this right here in the video so you can see that it's true. I ended up depositing $7 and I funded my account using cryptocurrency. Then the instructions said to restart the application. And guess what? My Pro license actually activated. I was honestly very surprised because my deposit was much lower than the cost of any Pro license listed on the website. Of course, I wanted to understand how this actually worked, so I immediately contacted VFX Alert support and asked them about it. And do you know what they told me? They confirmed that if you make a deposit that's lower than the price of the selected license, your Pro account will still be activated, but for 3 days. Personally, I think that's an amazing opportunity. You're really not risking much. You make the minimum deposit, get full access to every Pro feature for 3 days, and then decide for yourself whether the service is worth it. I really like it when companies let users test their product this way. And the best part is that your deposit is still yours. You can simply use it for trading. So if you've been thinking about trying VFX Alert but kept putting it off, I honestly think now is a great time to give it a try. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments whether you already knew about this promotion or if this is the first time you've heard about it. I read every single comment and do my best to reply to everyone personally. And don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. I share a lot more useful information, trading tips, and interesting discoveries there between my YouTube uploads. As always, you'll find all the links in the description below this video, including VFX Alert, the promotion details, my broker, and my Telegram channel. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I wish you successful trades, great profits, and an amazing day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!